Hi everyone. Today in mobile application development, we are going to see another one topic called how we are going to control the media player playback. So media is what it includes what it includes audio, images, then video. These are the different files available in the media players. So how the player will play back. So that is what given here. So see this below image, we can see the application. That is you are having the center button play. Then before and after is forward and backward. So how you are going to implement that in a mobile device, how you are going to create an or how you are going to control that application media player playback application in Android. So that is what going to see in our today's topic. So controlling media player playback is nothing but you want to control that playbacks options. So that may be a start, stop, or play, whatever may be. So these are the playback options. You want to control that media players. So how we are going to control it? To ensure a consistent media control experience, Android includes media controller in the Android application. So media controller is nothing but it will do what it will do is it will act as a controller for controlling that playback options. It is act as an what? They act as a standard control that provides the common media control buttons. So what are the common control buttons? Start, stop, then play. These are the common media control buttons. You want to control that first using that media controller. So these are the different methods available in the media player control options. So controlling media player playback, first you want to call has been start to begin the playback of the associated media. So how you are going to start it? Using that media player class name, there is method name dot start method. The start method is nothing but first you are giving this in a coding. What will do means the emulator will run it in another way. So that emulator what will do means it immediately start working with this playback option. So use that stop and pause methods to stop or pause playback respectively. Another two methods are once you start means you want to stop or you want to give a pause. Okay. So for that we include the another method called stop and pause like start method. What it provides means it provides get duration method and get current position method. It seek to jump. Okay. These are the three methods that three process are available in the media player controller. So first one, get duration method. So duration is nothing but you want to find out the length of the media being played in the playback. Then you want to find out the current position. So for that you are giving the get current position method to find the playback position. The next one, you want to jump to another file, that is playback file. If you are for example I am saying if you are playing one song in your mobile application, okay, immediately you want to go to the another song. So what you immediately do, you are going with the buttons, control buttons, then forward and backward. So if forward means going with the next song or backward means it will play the previous song. So for that you are implementing that seek to method in the coding. It will jump to a specific position in the media. So these methods are available in the coding. How it will going to locate means it will looking like a creating a new media player. It will look like media player equal to new media player option. It is the act as a class name. So the new media player will act as a constructor. So get a reference to the surface view. So what is the surface view? Nothing but the whole application is considered as surface view. So for that I am going with the keyword called final keyword. So if I am giving final, the options will not be changed. Okay, the functionalities process will not be changed. So final, I am giving surface view, another one class name surface view equal to what I am giving here. I want to find out the surface view by using some kind of ID. So that or that ID is nothing but I am using for a if I want to give a button called play button. So for that I am using ID number 1. If I want to go with the stop button, then I am going with the another ID called ID number 2. If I want to give a pause for the particular media file, I want to go with the another one button called or.id number 3. So these are the different IDs you are viewing with the surface view. So R is nothing but it acts as an object variable. Then next you want to configure the surface view. How we are going to configure is nothing but using the surface view dot set keep screen on, whether it is true or not, whether it is visible or not. You want to check it. So by that only you are going to configure the surface view. Next you want to connect it to the playback button. So play button you are going to, how you are going to connect with that play button is nothing but button play button equal to, you are giving the find which there is a, I'm already given in the get reference to the surface view. I am giving an ID called ID number 1. ID number 1 will, what will do, it acts as an for start only. So by if I am giving this find view by ID number 1, I am giving means it immediately play button will be play. Next one, the based on the play button dot set on click listener. So once I am giving that set on click listener, I am setting means it will not nothing but it will act as an event handling functions. So like we have already seen in the Java event driven programming, the same process, it is nothing but if I want to click to that particular play button, I want to click first. Okay, first I want to play that song means initially I want to click that button, so then only that song will be played. So for that I am going with the set on click listener event functions, new on click listener method. Then I am going with the class name method name called public void on click. So then immediately the set on click listener will be react for the particular view, then media player will be immediately start. So this is a best example coding for the which one you are going to control any media player playback in Android application. So this is what I think the hope everyone understand this program and get a new idea and get an, you are going to create a new program based on this control media players. Thank you.